Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are kind of scared seeing me like this, but Halloween is just around the corner and I thought it's a good time to do something interesting, something scary. So going in with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I'm using the Morphe Pro Blender makeup sponge. Yeah, I'm doing my eyebrows because that's what a skull needs, good eyebrows. So I used the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade for the eyebrows first, and then I went in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation using the Pro Blender makeup sponge by Morphe brushes. I'm gonna blend this all over my face. You do need a good base to start off with the rest of the makeup for the skull. Now I'm using the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Liner to do the eyes for this skull. This is really black, as you can see. So I start with taking a little and just spread it around in a circle around my eyes. The lens that I have on right now are the Solarica Hydrocore Quartzo. Yeah, I didn't mean for them to be scary when I bought them, but I guess they do give that scary dramatic effect. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions Palette, and I'm taking this black shade. This is one of the blackest shades eyeshadows that I have. So I'm gonna apply it on top of the gel liner wherever it's applied. This is gonna just make it more dark and deep, this whole black shade. Now with the thin brush, I'm taking that gel liner and I'm gonna draw this line for the jaw of the skull. You have room to correct that line. This was like an impromptu skull makeup look for me, so yeah, I mean, you can make mistakes and they're very easy to correct. As you could see, I redrew the line as it didn't go on right the first time. Now this is the Wet n Wild kohl pencil in black, and I'm using it to draw the teeth of the skull. You can just use any black pencil. Drawing the teeth on the lower lips now. Again, they don't have to be like really perfect. Now I'm using the NYX Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in white color, and I'm just applying a little bit in the middle of the shape of the teeth and then going over it with a thin brush to spread it out towards the border of the teeth. Now you can see the makeup real up close that I'm doing. But I know you prefer it a little backwards because, yeah, it is kind of scary and weird. Now I'm taking that Wet n Wild pencil again, and I'm just redrawing the border for those teeth and also lining the inside of the lips with this. Now with a thin brush, I'm taking that gel liner and I'm drawing the frown lines on my forehead, and with a thin smudger brush I'm smudging it all, like sort of shading it and smudging it. With that same pencil, I'm drawing on top of my nose. This is a very important part of a skull where you just show the nose to be like a hollowed space. Yeah, I'm filling it in with the gel liner now. I'm just filling in with the gel liner the whole jawline. I'm taking the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. The shade is Molten Midnight. And I'm gonna apply it all over the jaw line, like the black jaw. This I got from the dollar store. They're basically just gemstones in sticker form, super cheap, like $1. And I'm gonna apply it along the line for the jaw. Now I'm using the Morphe brushes, Premium Lashes Go On and Fake It. They're pretty dramatic, and yeah, lashes were all the skull needed at the end. I hope you found this easy to do and quite scary. Actually, I'm scared of looking at myself like this, quite frankly. But I think that's what Halloween is about, scaring and being someone that you're not. So that's the one day you can be fake like anything. If you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you're following me on Instagram, great. If not, then I'll leave the Instagram link and other social media links in the description box below. All the details for the products will be down there as well. Hope you like it and see you next time. Bye.